Your ranking, in other words, where your video shows up when you search YouTube, depends on a handful of things. First, the title, then the description and your tags. It'll be dependent on the number of views, but more importantly, the percentage of the video that each of these people watch. The number of sites linking to your video, people who have favorited it, meaning given it a thumbs up, shares, comments, the number of people who have embedded it on their site, and finally subscriptions, particularly a subscription right after the video ends. There's a handful of things you can do to get all of those. First, you want to make the file name of your uploaded videos something with your best keywords in it. For example, if we were doing a video on YouTube marketing, we might make the title youtube-marketing-strategies.wmv. Google search engine is going to pick up on those words. Next, you want to optimize your title to attract viewers, and basically you're going to do the same thing here that you did with the file name, but you only get 100 characters for this, and the title is going to be one of, if not the most important thing you do as far as your video goes. So you want to remember to use the keywords that you want to rank for first in the title, meaning YouTube marketing strategy and tutorial instead of strategy and tutorial for YouTube marketing. But you don't want to be too broad with your title either. Trying to rank for something like social media is going to be a lot harder than YouTube marketing for small businesses. What I would recommend doing is a Google search for a word within your niche or whatever keyword you're trying to rank for, and check to see if there's any YouTube results. Look at your competitors' descriptions and tags and see what words they're using to optimize their videos. Then you want to go to adwords.google.com and you click Tools at the top and go down to the Google Keyword Planner. See if the keywords that you're trying to rank for have a decent amount of monthly search volume but low competition, maybe 500 or more monthly searches. If so, you might consider using Google's recommendations as well as your competitors' keywords and tags. And actually right under the keyword planner is something called Display Planner, and you can use this to find even more keyword suggestions. This is Google's platform for finding keyword recommendations for YouTube videos and mobile advertisements, so the things you find here might actually be more relevant than the things you find in Google Keyword Planner, but you definitely want to check out both. You also want to pay extra attention to your description. Like I said at the beginning, you want to start thinking about YouTube as a search engine and not just a place to watch stuff. Treat the description area the same way you would a blog post. They give you a maximum of 5,000 characters, which is like 900 words, and Google tends to rank longer descriptions higher, so use this to your advantage. You just don't want to go crazy with the keywords or you're going to be penalized for keyword stuffing. You definitely want to include the word video somewhere in your description and tags. And remember that YouTube videos tend to show up in the search results when someone does a search for tutorial, walkthrough, demo, how-to, music, reviews, and of course anything followed by the word video. You want to use your web address in the description as well, preferably closer to the start than the end because a lot of people aren't going to finish reading all of it, so you want to have something for them to click on relatively quickly. This can even be the first thing in your description, but remember when you put in your web address, you want to include the http:// and not just yoursite.com. The HTTP is going to make it clickable. If you happen to be trying to rank a video for a local business, try to mention your address, your location, phone number, and of course your web address, and you can even include a section after that with a biography of your company and maybe some differentiators that might persuade consumers to choose you above the competition. In addition to the title and the description, you want to focus on the tags, and I would suggest using Google Keyword Planner for this too. You get 120 characters worth of tags, and you want to put your best keywords first, just like you did with the title. You can include the name of the business, of your business, in your tags as well, so you can capture people looking for your videos by brand name. Plus, if you put your brand name in there, YouTube is going to be more likely to display your other videos as the related suggestions you see when a video finishes, as long as you put your brand name as a tag in all of your videos.